Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all over the world. Yes, I'm your sister Geraldine Low, ang inyong kapatid, kaibigan at karamay at kakwentuhan. Yes, today is celebration of Independence Day here in Greece. At dahil sa tayo ay isa sa organization like LPDA or HOPE in English, and meron tayong non-profit organization na tinayo, ang KKK or Kapatid, Kaibigan at Karamay, which is introducing you po na kami po ay kusang loob na tumutulong po sa mga nangangailangan, which is hindi man po kami mayaman financially, pero we have the heart to give and help other people. Na kung kaya po nating mag-donate piso mula sa puso, pag nalikom yun, we can help someone's life. Kasi once upon a time or years ago, I was in that situation. Yung hirap na hirap ka, wala kang karamay, ni mangungumusta, wala ka, yung ganun. So I know the feelings of having nothing, kasi lahat ng tao may kanya-kanyang problema sa buhay. So nung napagdaanan ko yon, the pain, yung hardship, yung struggle mo emotionally, physically, mentally, napakasakit. Because yun nga, napagdaanan po namin ng family ko yung feeling na walang-wala ka at wala ka rin karamay. So now na hindi man po kami ganon kayaman or financially, pero may ina-earn naman po kami everyday.